Rich people never use debit cards, ever. Watch them. There's a reason, and it has nothing to do with credit scores.
Debit card spends YOYOR money, instantly, permanently, gone. No protection, no rewards, no float, just subtraction. Rich people pay with credit, then clear it fully. Same purchase. But they earn 2% back. You earned nothing.
Your money sits in account, earning interest 30 days longer. That's called the float. Poor people never learn this.
Debit fraud? Your real money tame? Gone. Fight to recover. Credit fraud? Bank fights for you. Zero liability. Always. Every rich person's credit card earns while they spend. Cashback, miles, points. You're leaving free money on the table.
The secret isn't the card, it's the rule behind it. Never spend what you don't already have. Period. Full stop. Good credit score equals lower interest on every future loan. That single number saves pull or costs lakhs over lifetime.
Spend on credit, earn rewards, pay full balance monthly. 3 steps, zero debt, free money every single month.
The rich don't earn more. They use money smarter. Learn the system. Apply it today. Your money works harder.